Hi guys, Sarah K here, and welcome to Sarah K Travels. If you're new, thanks for stopping by and hit that lovely red subscribe button. Anyways, you guys, so this is a video that I'm going to review a hidden and secret spot that a lot of people do not know of on the island of Maui. One of the best snorkeling with turtles spots you could ever find. At the end, I will actually have a map and I will go through it, the best parking and where to get in off the water. So this picture actually is our favorite spot that we get into. You guys, we go back to this place every trip back to Maui. This is on the west coast. You will not be disappointed. You will see so many turtles. It's unbelievable. So, all right, let's go check it out. right, guys, that was it. That was a sneak peek of some snorkeling you can experience for yourself, especially if you love sea turtles. This is the best spot for snorkeling with turtles on the island of Maui, no doubt. And of course, this is the West Coast. So I have a map and I'm going to point it out and show you where to go and give you some pointers. So let's take a look. So it's west coast, of course, of Maui, and it's a little further up north, but it's close to all the main attractions. It's not really a far drive. You're going to get on Highway 30, and I'm not going to try and say it, Honoapi'ilani Highway. That's my best guess. And look for the Turtle Rock by the post office marker. There's a reason why they call it Turtle Rock, because this place is full of turtles. So if you look at my picture, well, let's just note also, if you want to find more landmarks when you're trying to find this place, it's by the Lahaina Fire Station, the Lahaina District Court. So basically that is the area. If you want to put in your GPS, Google Maps, that will take you right there. So let's go back to the west coast, the coast side. Now I have a couple arrows, and let me go through each one. The top arrow is the parking and bathrooms. So you will pull into the park. It has a bunch of parking spots. That is where we always park. There's that building right there at the bottom of the arrow, and that is your actual bathrooms. And that's the best place we like to park there because it's close to the spots that we like to get into. So let's go to the other two arrows that you see where it says rock entry points. So we usually go to one of these two spots, and you can jump right in the water from the rocks. And the rocks are set up where there's a lot of area where you can put towels, you can put your bags, you can kind of keep them hidden. These are great spots. The water doesn't get too rocky. However, if you don't feel comfortable getting in that way, let's go down to my last arrow at the bottom that says the beach entry. That is where you can actually go to the little beach area. You can set up there, and then you can get in the water and you can swim to your right up closer to the Turtle Rocks, or the two entry points there. That is where you are going to find your turtles. The best snorkeling ever for these turtles, you guys, is this spot. Now, if you have any questions, you want more direct directions or anything else, just please put it in the comments, you guys. This will be the best experience you will ever have. Totally recommend it. Go find this off the path, secret, hidden, best turtle snorkelings on the Maui Island. You guys, great experience. You will not regret it. So once again, it's off Highway 30, and there's plenty of parking. You have bathrooms, you have shower rinse-offs, rock entry points, or a beach entry point. And all you need is your basic snorkeling gear. That's it. So, all right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. So once again, if you're ever out on the west side of Maui, you have got to see this. Go, go, go. You'll not regret it. So, all right, guys, thanks for joining me, and keep coming back. I've got more videos coming up. I'm trying to get all my videos uploaded to this new channel. So I appreciate your support, and until next time, peace out and safe travels.